Welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we want to find the value of x from this equation 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 3x is equal to 10. But before we proceed, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We want to find the real value solution from this nice equation. Thank you. Solution. Two raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 3s is equal to 10. Now, 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power s raised to power 3 is equal to 10. That is, a raised to power n raised to power m is equal to a raised to power mn. 2 raised to power s plus 2 raised to power x raised to power 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. We have 2 raised to power x here and 2 raised to power s here. Let 2 raised to power s is equal to t. T plus t raised to power 3 minus 10 is equal to 0. Let's rearrange. T raised to power 3 plus t minus 10 is equal to 0. This is t raised to power 3 and this is t. We want to manipulate this t such that equation will not formally change. That is, t raised to power 3 minus 4t plus 5t minus 10 is equal to 0. Minus 4t plus 5t is going to give you t. Let's factor t out from t raised to power 3 minus 4t. We have t into t squared minus 4 plus here 5 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we have t into, this is t squared minus 2 squared plus 5 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. Here in the bracket is different of 2 squared. That is, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Now we have t into t plus 2 multiplied by t minus 2 plus 5 into t minus 2 is equal to 0. T minus 2 is common here. Here is t minus 2. Let's bring it out. T minus 2 into, this is t multiplied by t plus 2 plus this 5 is equal to 0. From there, we have t minus 2 into, we have t times t, this is t squared, plus t times 2, 2t, plus 5 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. T minus 2 is equal to 0, or t squared plus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. From the first case, t minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, t is equal to 2. That is the first value of t. And the second case is that t squared plus 2t plus 5 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let's solve this using quadratic general formula. That is, s is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And in this case, t is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 5. We have t is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 over 2 multiplied by 1. Or discriminant is equal to b squared minus 4ac. t is equal to b is 2 squared minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5. This is 4 minus 20, which is less than 0. Now we reject this because we are looking for the real value of x. Therefore, the real solution we have is y is equal to 2. But remember that 2 raised to power x is equal to y, and y is equal to 2. Now 2 raised to power s is equal to 2. 2 raised to power s is same thing as 2 is same thing as 2 raised to power 1. They have the same base. Now s is equal to 1. That is the real value of x that we are looking for. We can check to confirm. We have the equation 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power 3x is equal to 10 at s is equal to 1. Now 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 raised to power 3 into 1 must be is equal to 10. Let's see. 2 raised to power 1 is same thing as 2 plus 2 raised to power 3, 8. And 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Meaning that our answer is true. So the real value of x is s is equal to 1. That is our final answer. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.